With the release of iOS 14, now you get a way to personalize your iPhone using widgets. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can maximize the usage of those widgets. First thing you need to do is you go over to your main screen and then press and hold the screen until the application starts moving, and you're going to see this plus button here on the top, in which it prompts a new menu and you could select different widgets like you see here. So if we want to add a fitness widget, some widgets has different forms that you can select from. So in my case, I want to add the fitness widget, and then you will click on add widget. By default, it will add it to your home screen. However, you could press and hold the widget and arrange it and position it wherever you want. Additionally, you could move it to the left and put it on your search screen here, in which most of the widgets lives on. So in this screen, what you could do too is you could rearrange the widgets however you want, or you could click the plus button again and then add different widgets that you like. There is a new widget called Smart Stack, in which allows you to place it on anywhere you like, and it will auto switch different widgets for you. So if I press Smart Stack, I want to have it this size and add the widget. It will basically add it, and then when you scroll up and down, you're gonna see different widgets, but this will basically automatically change for you. I can't remember the time interval that it changes, but you could basically leave it there and it would auto switch for you. Right now it's kind of glitchy because I just installed iOS 14, but as you can see, the widget is still there. Also, what you could do is you could press and hold the screen and then press the gray dotted area where you see that right here, and now you could basically hide a page. So if I don't want this page to show, I would select it and uncheck the page, and then I will click done. And now if I scroll, that page is done and I can't see the applications that were in that page. If you want to add it again, you press the dotted area and then you will put a check mark in that page and then click done, and it will add the page again and you'll be able to see the page. Additionally, if you swipe all the way from right to left, you're gonna see all your folders for your iPhone in this area. So it will basically make it easier for you to find your application. So if I click done and I want to, let's say, find Facebook, I will put Facebook and I will find Facebook there. So that's a really cool feature that they added with iOS 14. Additionally, with your control center, if you swipe from top to bottom on the right side here, if you press any of these widgets here, let's say if I want to press the one that has the Wi-Fi, now you have different options to select from. Also, if you press on your flashlight, you can control the light level, and you could do the same thing with the camera widget and every other widget that you see there. Again, if you want to manage your control center, then what you need to do is you need to go to settings and then find customize control center settings, so that way you could add different widgets here. So that's basically how the widgets work in iOS 14. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.